Struggling with the IRS? You're not alone. And the good news is your tax problems can be fixed for good. I'm going to show you exactly how to stop wage garnishments, prevent back tax levies, and finally take control of your tax debt. If you received a collection notice from the IRS, owe $10,000 or more, or have unfiled tax returns, and you want to resolve it without going to the poorhouse or making payments for the rest of your life, hi, I'm Michelle Newman, founder of Real Tax Debt Relief, an IRS authorized enrolled agent. For the last 25 years, we've helped people like you resolve their tax problems for the lowest amount possible. The IRS is the most brutal collection agency on the planet, and they can use that power to threaten your livelihood, cause relationship problems, and make your life a pure living hell. If you owe the IRS a substantial amount of money and are worried because you don't know what to do or who to trust, please listen carefully, because after helping people from coast to coast for over 25 years with significant tax problems, we know that the number one reason people struggle to fix their problem is the lack of an action plan for dealing with the IRS and resolving their tax problem permanently. To fix your back tax problem and stop the IRS from harassing you, you need a step-by-step system that is proven to work 100% of the time. So the first step is to decide that you'll do whatever it takes without excuses to resolve your back tax issues. As corny as it may sound, we encourage you to commit to it in writing. Get a piece of paper and write on this piece of paper, I commit to myself and my family to do whatever it takes to resolve my tax problem. Sign it, date it, and put it somewhere where you can see it daily. Now, this simple first step will help you move forward from a place of fear and worry to a place of resolution and determination. Step number 2 is to design the ideal offer that the IRS will accept so you can get a settlement or a resolution. Remember, the IRS cares about what's best for them, not you. You don't want to negotiate with the IRS from a position of weakness by accepting whatever offer that they present just to get it over with. While this might temporarily feel good, if you can't make payments, you'll have broken a promise to the IRS and will be in a worse position than when you started. You also don't want to negotiate with the IRS from an arrogant position, demanding that you almost pay nothing. Yes, the goal is to pay the lowest amount possible, but making the IRS a lowball offer will show them that you aren't serious and force them to use their nearly unlimited power to collect every penny you owe, or, in most serious, albeit rare cases, have you served some prison time. Now, your offer to the IRS is a serious matter and you must consider carefully, depending on your situation, so having a well thought out plan is mission critical before negotiating with the IRS. Assuming you have the correct strategy, step number 3 is to powerfully and persuasively present your offer to the IRS. Here are some crucial things you need to know about that. Pack your patience. Be prepared to wait on hold for up to 3 hours when you call the IRS. And when you finally reach someone, don't be surprised if they act all friendly. But as we discussed, they are not concerned about what's best for you. Expect the IRS agent to grill you with financial and technical questions which you must know the answers to. Please listen carefully. Knowing what to say, what not to say, and how to talk to the IRS is almost as important as the plan that you designed before calling them. Saying the wrong things or the right things in the wrong way can derail the entire negotiation and put you in a weak position. So let me share some tips for you regarding talking to the IRS. As we discussed, have a plan and know what you want. If you go to the negotiation unprepared, you'll be eaten alive and forced to accept their plan, which will not benefit you. When you finally connect with an IRS agent, speak respectfully and humbly. The IRS agent will listen and ask for specifics and possibly some documentation. So you must have that information on hand and not ask if you can call back later. Your goal should be to reach an agreement on the first call. And you can't do that unless you're prepared and have all your ducks in a row. If you do everything right, you will reach a resolution. While our 3-step system looks simple on the surface, as with any powerful process, there are many details. Now, you can try to figure out everything and take your chances with the IRS on your own, or you can work with someone who already knows all the ins and the outs of the IRS maze and can fix the problem for you efficiently, effectively, and for the lowest amount allowed by law. And that's what we do for our clients who are really ready to resolve their tax problems once and for all. If that sounds like you, we should talk. So we'll discuss your situation and share with you what needs to be done to actually resolve your case most favorably. At the end of our call, you'll make one of two decisions. If you want to work with us to fix your problem, that's great. If you decide we're not a good fit, that's fine too. But please understand that the tax relief strategy session is for people who owe the IRS a substantial amount of money and are serious about fixing that problem. And if that sounds like you, we'd love to help you. The next step is to schedule your strategy call. If you're ready, the time for us to talk is now for two reasons. First, the IRS, they don't play games. The longer you wait to fix the problem, the worse it gets. And second, we work with a limited number of clients per month, so they get our focused attention. If you're ready, apply for a tax relief strategy session right now.